Good morning. Welcome to our Friday edition of Morning Inspiration. So, weekend is coming, and for the past 5 days of the weekdays of this week, we have shared to you morning inspiration Bible verses that will encourage us to face our daily lives. No, today is another day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. So, uh, this is it. This is another day, and we wake up in the early morning, and of course, we have a lot of things to do, as we all know. No, there are a lot of circumstances and situations that we have to face today. Work-related situation, family situation, our children, the food that we have to put on the table, the budget, electricity bill, rental fees, and a lot of financial constraints that we have to face daily. But this is life. This is what we are concerned about is the necessities that we need to have to live in this world. No po? But we always tell you that we have to be inspired in facing our day where we're talking every day about being confident to come into the presence of the Lord, believing that He will be with us, inviting Him to partake in our daily activities and lead us and instruct us what to do to accomplish this day's task victoriously. Of course, that is somehow very hard, especially when we are facing some shortage in a lot of things, especially in our finances, di po ba? But we know, as we are talking about every day, we should be confident in the Lord, no po, coming into the grace of God, no po, uh, to believe and to trust Him that He will going to meet our everyday needs for this day. Uh, Today we will be discussing our Bible verse this early morning of Friday will come from the book of Isaiah, chapter 41, verse 10. Ito po. Ulitin ko po, Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. So yan po, sa Isaiah 41, verse 10. No po, chapter 41, verse 10. In our daily existence, we always have to have a certain confidence. Minsan po, yung confidence natin ay in facing a lot of difficulties in our life, a lot of challenges in our life, is focus on a person. Minsan po, focus siya sa ating trabaho. Ano po? Minsan po, focus siya into an individual. Minsan po, focus siya sa sarili natin most of the time, sarili nating strength. We have that so much confidence in ourselves. Hindi po masama yan. Hindi po masama yan. We have to have confidence. Actually, during the time of interviews in jobs, no po, we have to show, no, to make an appearance that we are confident, in ourselves, that we could perform the job that we are applying for. And even in school, minsan po yung confidence natin ay kailangan, yung self-confidence natin ay kailangan, no po, to stand out among the rest, no po. And in so many areas of our lives, no po, we are required to have that confidence to show up our self-capacity to perform a certain matters in our life, to accomplish a certain task in our life. We have to look confident, no po. At kadalasan po ang focus ng confidence natin yung tinatawag na self-confidence, no po. Maski po sa trabaho natin, yung performance natin, we should be confident in doing and performing the task that was assigned to us in our job, to be able to be noticed by our superiors, to be able to have a salary increase and the promotion on our job. No po. And even in the family, no po, each and everyone should be confident in the task that was assigned to them. And most of the time also, we are trying to build up the confidence of our children, relying on our persuasive way of pushing them to give out the very best of themselves, to be confident and to be recognized in what areas of their life, especially in their studies. No po. And our children, most of the time, to assure us na that they will going to accomplish what we expect them to be, no po, they are relying on themselves. Yung pong confidence natin is always pushing us, no po, or other people to act in the way that in connection with what should be accomplished in their lives. It is a self-centered kind of confidence, no po. And minsan po tayo, na yung confidence natin nabubuhay sa pamamagitan din ng ibang tao, no po. Nandun yung confidence natin if we have some mental problems, no po, or anxiety or depression in ourselves, we need somebody, no po, that we confidently express what bothers us, no po. And we when we talk to somebody about our emotional problems and our anxieties, mental disorder or mental problems, we go to a person who can confidently increase our motivation, no po, and to eliminate some fears and some stress in our life. And we also put confidence on the medicine that we take, no po, if we are in some kind of addiction or in some kind of health problems, we put the confidence over the doctor and the medicine that was given to us, no po. And there's nothing wrong about it, but the point is, no po, all those things around us or ourselves or other people in our lives, even the doctors, the medicine, no po, that we are taking, even in our study to be a standout, no po, sa ating mga anak, and even our job, no po, we would always have the tendency to depend much more to ourselves, no po. But if we look at it on a bigger picture, lahat po ng mga doctors, lahat ng mga medicine, lahat ng ating mga trabaho, no po, yung karunungan ng ating mga anak, yung development ng ating mga anak, yung finances natin, hindi po sa kanila mismo nanggaling. Yung whatever we can get for them to build our confidence in this life. Lahat po yan ay blessing ng Panginoon for those people wherein we get our confidence, or even to ourselves. Whatever we have in our lives ay bigay din po ng Panginoon. The Lord is the true resources of all the talents, of all the innovations, of all the strength, of all the intelligence na ibinigay po sa mga doctors, sa mga scientists, sa ating mga trabaho. Lahat po yan ay bigay ng Diyos. The Lord is the true sense of our needs in this life. No po. Wala po tayo, bawat isa sa atin, na mayroong kakayanan, mayroong gifts and talent that came from us alone. No. Those gifts and talents, those wisdom and knowledge that we are basing our confidence ay galing po sa one true source of everything, which is our Lord Jesus Christ. So what are we saying at this point? We should not rely, no po, or we should not put our confidence on the people around us or even to ourselves,